When you're inspecting a floor system, a structural floor system, and let's say you're down in the basement or crawl space and you're looking up, right? And the exposed floor joists are there and you see a notch or a cut, right? What do you say about that? Is it good or bad? And if you don't know, that's okay. You just need some training. We have a really good training video on how to inspect notches, cuts, and bored holes in solid lumber. So if you have a 2x10 floor system made out of solid lumber and you see a bored hole through it, you can take some measurements real quick and determine whether it's a major structural defect or not. And this training video is going to help you become knowledgeable and boost your skills and abilities in inspecting those potentially defective items in structural components in the house. So here's a video. I want you to play it and I'll watch it along with you. And then we're going to do some fun stuff. That's the marketing tests in step 5. Okay, now let's play this video and learn how to inspect notches, cuts, and holes in solid lumber.